Lana loves the llama, but the llama loves pajamas. Is that too hot? What is up, Passionate DJ Nation? It is your boy Mo Dingo, and I am here to bring you some news and information of some things that have already happened early on in the year 2021. Now, normally something we look forward to as DJs is the Winter NAMM convention, which takes place in Anaheim, California. That's basically like the equivalent of CES, but for music and instruments and all things that make lovely sounds and make people dance. Unfortunately, this year, as a result of COVID, everything had to be held virtually. This year, the virtual event was held the last week of January, and there are a few things that DJs might want to know about that came out in terms of new gear. For those of you that follow the show, you've already seen the extensive coverage we've done on the RANE ONE with the help of our friend Fatty Lumpkin. With those motorized jog wheels, it packs a lot of punch for $1,500 and gives you a whole lot in a small package. For more information on that, just go to passionatedj.com/RANE1. Play Differently dropped another mixer on us with the help of Andy Rigby-Jones and Richie Hawtin, the Model 1.4. This is a truly analog experience with no USB connections. It's all phono ports on the back. It provides you the opportunity to control 4 channels along with a 3-band master EQ out. In addition to the analog overdrive, it provides you with high and low pass filters as well as a high and low pass contour filter. So if you're looking for that true analog experience, look for this to hit the street at about $2,000 US. Not to be outdone, Pioneer also dropped the DJM-S7. It's a 2-channel style battle mixer that gives you free access to Serato as well as hardware unlock for Rekordbox. It has 8 performance pads per deck for live edits and remixing, as well as the 22 beat effects that you would see in the DJM-S11. And as you would expect from any battle mixer, it comes with a Magbuild Pro crossfader. One interesting feature about this particular mixer is that it actually has Bluetooth integration. It allows you to use a compatible mobile device, trigger samples, loops, and rolls, as well as one-shots. That'll be hitting the streets at about $1,400 US. And lastly, in other news, Native Instruments has been sold again. At the end of January, a large portion of their shares were sold to the Francisco Partners investing firm. One of the goals of this merger is to bring together operations a little bit more closely to have more integration among product lines. For those of you that are Traktor users, you know we've all been kind of frustrated with the lag of development of the Traktor platform. A lot of that, according to the article from DJ Tech Tools, is from the current architecture being rather clunky and hard to upgrade. Since the release of Traktor Pro 3, other platforms have added things like streaming, online lockers, as well as real-time stem usage, none of which can be accomplished with the current platform that Traktor Pro is developed on. It's for this reason Native Instruments is probably going to wind up using some sort of variation of Traktor DJ Pro, which is more of an app-based versus a program. Well, what do we need to see for this next version of the Traktor Pro platform to be more relative? I personally would like to see more compatibility with third-party controllers without having to create some ad hoc MIDI map. And there are some people that probably want to see some of that real-time stem development as well. But more importantly, with the release of Big Sur and the M1 processor from Apple, they got some serious hills to climb, so their work's cut out for them, but will it be too late for them to still be relevant? Well, that's it for now. If you have any feedback from any of the mixers that we talked about, go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. And if you're a Traktorian like myself, tell us what you'd like to see in the next iteration of Traktor Pro. As always, I love you guys, be good humans, and wash your damn hands. I'm Mo and I'm out.